This monitor right here is already clean enough, but then before it goes to the hardware money shop, I always want to ensure that it's super clean, because the last thing I want to entertain is somebody going on the hardware money shop to buy this monitor, and then the person goes ahead to write me and say, "Hardware money, I'm so happy that you sent this monitor to me in very good condition, but the problem is the monitor still looks so dirty. You didn't do anything to just make it presentable." I do not want that, because I know that would just be a serious hit on the hardware money brand. I am known for giving quality items to people, and because of that, it doesn't matter how busy I am, I still want to make sure that the monitors on the hardware money shop have actually been checked for functionality. They have actually been personally cleaned by me using my magic cleaner right here. I'm still going to tell you, I haven't forgotten, because this is the comment I know is going to follow next on this video. Hardware money, you have promised to tell us what the magic fluid is that you use in cleaning your monitor that makes it look as if they are actually new. Sorry to disappoint you. This monitor right here is everything far from being new. It's a pretty much older monitor, but with very good functionality, very good picture resolution, and a very responsible monitor at that. But then, that is not what we're talking about. I'm talking about the fact that if you go to the hardware money shop today, you have the guarantee of only buying responsible, error-free monitors like this. You're not going to be receiving something that's going to make you ask, "I thought hardware money was known for quality. I thought hardware money was known for decent hardwares." No, you are only going to receive a monitor that when you receive it, you are definitely going to run onto the hardware money shop and want to try to buy something else, perhaps a keyboard, perhaps a mouse, perhaps even a computer. Just go ahead and name it. This is what you stand to get if you go to the link in the description below right now and try to buy one of these monitors. Guys, understand that there are so many used hardwares right now in the market. Yes, everybody tries to tell you, "I have the best used hardware, come to my shop and buy it." But then when you receive the items, you are going to be shocked, because the item you're going to be receiving is a far cry from what you actually expected. You taking a look at this video now, you see the quality of stuff that you stand to get if you go ahead to the hardware money shop and buy one of these. You won't be disappointed. These items have been personally checked by me, checked for functionality, checked for optical conditions. If the condition does not meet the hardware money standard, we are going to destroy the monitor. We are never going to put it in the secondary market, because we understand that buyer apathy is at an all-time high. If buyers continue to receive items that are all full of scratches, at some point people are going to be disappointed. Nobody will actually want to buy a used item anymore. The selling point right now is that, look, used items are cheap. If you decide to use them, you're actually contributing your quota, to saving the environment. You are contributing your quota, to reduce energy consumption. Yes, that is a good thing. But nobody wants to receive a monitor that has a lot of pixel errors. Nobody wants to receive a monitor that has a lot of scratches on the frames. Nobody wants to receive a monitor that if you decide to shake it like this, all you hear is a squeaking sound that will not make you use the monitor and be happy, sound that will make you already want to throw the monitor away, even though you doing that contributes to destroying the environment. But at this point, you do not just care because you just cannot stand the fact that the monitor doesn't look presentable. You don't want to leave a monitor on your desk, and when your friends come around, when your business associates come around, they're taking a look at your desk and thinking, how the hell did you get this kind of cheap stuff? So what you want to do to avoid that is to go to the hardware money shop, get yourself a decent monitor like this, and it will be shipped directly to your house address without any difficulty. If you are right now in the market, you are thinking of getting a responsible monitor like this, consider clicking on the link in the description below. Until I see you again in the next one, peace.